Michael Giles isn't the first to be told his snoring is keeping his loved ones up.
My wife had told me some years ago and usually would give me an elbow to wake me up.
Rather than try to ignore it, researchers say we should take note. It could be a sign of uncontrolled hypertension.
Snoring makes everything in the upper airway vibrate, so that might lead to some higher blood pressure. And there is also a lot of pressure that is in the thoracic cage because of snoring.
More than 12,000 people have taken part in the global study, the first of its kind to use devices to monitor participants at home over multiple nights. 15% of those tracked over 9 months snored for at least 20% of the night.
You're more likely to snore or to have sleep apnea if you're overweight. And in general, in population studies, we found that middle-aged male seems to have a higher prevalence of sleep apnea.
But both men and women who snore are equally at risk of high blood pressure. If you have trouble sleeping or breathing during the night, experts advise speaking to your doctor about participating in a sleep study.
It's not recommended to treat snoring alone yet. If you have snoring and sleep apnea, then we've got treatment for you.
Giving us some peace of mind.
Being able to monitor it, help you improve on it, and maybe helpfully overcome it.
Ashley Kanowski, 7 News.